I'm very pleased to be involved with the Singapore Space Challenge. I think this is a great idea to propose a problem that is a stretch. It's hard, but it's not impossible to think of design solutions and have groups of students come together, look up various technologies, and understand how they can actually come up with designs that may well be viable.
The students looked very interested. They posed a lot of questions and they were really excited about the possibility that SSTA and the Singapore community is providing to them to put their best out of the studies that they are doing and their ideas to innovate in this field.
I'm mentoring a group of students. I talk to them. They from a high school around here. They have lots of interesting ideas. I mean, some of them are a little crazy, but that's okay. They're young people. They're doing their best, and they're thinking about all kinds of innovative things. So.